Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by isolating power and removing the motor cover. This protects you and the equipment. Once panels are off, identify the brush holders and note how each brush sits, because orientation matters for contact and rotation. Use a multimeter to confirm no voltage, then gently release brush springs with an appropriate screwdriver. Make sure to keep screws and caps in order. You will need them when reinstalling, and organized parts speed the rest of the job. You now remove the worn carbon brushes and inspect both brush and commutator surfaces. This shows why replacements are needed. If brushes are shorter than spec or have deep grooves, replace them. Uneven wear can cause sparking and motor inefficiency. Clean the holder slot and check spring tension. Weak springs reduce contact pressure, causing heat. If the commutator has heavy pitting, dress it lightly or plan a service. Otherwise, a clean, correctly sized, you insert new brushes, ensuring each is seated square and the lead is routed exactly as removed. Proper seating prevents arcing and uneven wear. Once reassembled, restore power and run the motor under no load for several minutes to allow the brushes to bed in. This reduces high spots and improves contact. Make sure to listen for unusual noise. If you see excessive sparking or smoke, stop immediately. Check seating, spring tension, and commutator surface. Then address the specific fault before repeating tests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.